Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Overview, Pharma News Headlines. Glenmark has launched sitagliptin and its fixed dose combinations for adults with type 2 diabetes in India at 8 different combinations under the brand name Sitacit and its variants at affordable price. US FDA has updated the emergency use authorization for Paxlovid, authorizing state licensed pharmacists to prescribe drug to eligible patients with certain limitations to ensure appropriate patient assessment and prescribing of Paxlovid. The officials announced that the Drugs Controller General of India has recommended Serum Institute of India to manufacture and reserve their life-saving QHPV vaccine against cervical cancer. The National Institute for Health and Care Excellence has issued a final appraisal recommending Abdivo Nivolumab for the adjuvant treatment of adult patients with muscle-invasive urothelial carcinoma whose are high risk of recurrence and whose tumors express PD-L1 at a level of 1% or more. Researchers from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in the US have developed a new N95 mask which have antiviral and antibacterial properties could allow to be worn for longer durations, causing less plastic waste as the masks do not need to be replaced as frequently. The officiaries announced that Serum Institute has requested the Union Health Ministry of India for inclusion of their CyTB injection for detection of latent TB in the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program to support TB-free India by 2025. Zydus Life Sciences Limited has received final approval from US FDA to market lacosamide injection USP 200 mg per 20 ml single dose vials to treat partial onset seizures in patients 17 years of age and older. The National Institute of Health and Care Excellence has recommended the final appraisal of Leo Pharma's Atralza Tralokinumab for moderate to severe atopic dermatitis patients with the condition who are eligible for systemic treatment only if the disease has not responded to at least one systemic immunosuppressant or if these are not suitable. Researchers from UNC Chapel Hill and Duke University have developed an inhalable COVID-19 vaccine stable at room temperature for up to 3 months, target the lungs, allows for self-administration via an inhaler. The US FDA has approved Qsymia for chronic weight management in pediatric obese patients over 12 years old. Qsymia is an extended release pill composed of phentermine and topiramate. Swiss medtech company Bloom Diagnostics has launched the Bloom inflammation test designed to quantitatively measure and detect the C-reactive protein in the bloodstream to detect inflammation in the body. According to the study in Lancet Infectious Diseases, antibody therapies are less effective in inhibiting Omicron variants. The National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority of India has fixed the retail prices for 84 drug formulations, including those used to treat diabetes, headache, hypertension, and also for cholesterol-lowering drugs. Aurobindo Pharma Limited has received a final approval from US FDA to manufacture and market triamcinolone acetonide injectable suspension for strengths 200 mg per 5 ml and 400 mg per 10 ml multiple dose vials indicated for various conditions including allergies, endocrine disorders and rheumatoid arthritis. The US FDA approved Lysocaptogene maraleucel Breyanzi, a new second-line treatment for large B-cell lymphoma for patients who have not benefited from standard chemoimmunotherapy or have relapsed after chemoimmunotherapy. That's the end of Pharma News. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching Pharma Overview. Bye.